Hello class and welcome to week 11 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be composing your criminal justice essay, which is due at the end of the week, just before spring break. For this week, you will begin by looking at some grammar and punctuation elements from the Lumen resources. If you go to the CRJS learning module for week 4, you will see that I'd like you to review matters of mechanics and grammar and style to apply to your essay when you begin to revise your essay. You'll be talking about revision, revising, and apply that to your essay when you revise it, and also offer feedback to your peers, and also editing and proofreading, which I would also like you to apply to your essay. I'll also like you to read and watch the video on MLA formatting, which is what you will use for your in-text citation and for your works cited page. Then I'd like you to post your essay, your completed essay, on the discussion board for the CRJS peer review. This week we'll be focusing on drafting your essay and participating in some guided peer review of the essay. So please copy and paste your essay draft into the thread, include your works cited page, highlight or underline the sources that you're quoting or paraphrasing in your body paragraphs, and highlight or underline your thesis statement. When you're done posting your essay, please make sure to review the drafts of 2 other students in the class, focusing on how they've integrated their sources into their essay and how they have supported their thesis statement. At the end of the week, if you're looking at the calendar, your criminal justice essay is due just before spring break. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.